In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get ESPN on your LG Smart TV so you can enjoy live sports and highlights. Let's get started. To access ESPN, start by turning on your LG Smart TV and opening the LG Content Store or App Store. Search for the ESPN app and install it. Once installed, open the app and select Sign In or Activate. You'll see an activation code displayed on your screen. Next, visit espn.com/activate on your computer or mobile device. Log in to your ESPN account, or create one if needed, and enter the code to link your TV. If you don't have ESPN Plus, subscribe to it or link a supported TV provider that includes ESPN. Once activated, return to the ESPN app on your LG Smart TV. You can now stream live sports, watch highlights, and access exclusive ESPN Plus content. For offline viewing, download eligible ESPN Plus content on a mobile device while connected to Wi-Fi. Ensure your TV is connected to a stable internet connection for uninterrupted streaming. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching and enjoy ESPN on your LG Smart TV.